When recording a motion capture where you're holding a prop with two hands, retargeting to a character may result in one of the hands being in the wrong place. This is easily fixed. First, add a child of object constraint to the prop. As soon as we pick the hand bone as the target, the prop moves to the right place. You can then adjust the rotation and location of the prop in object mode. In pose mode, select the other hand bone and add a inverse kinematics bone constraint to it. Set the chain length to 3 so that the hand bone moves the entire arm. Enable rotation as well. Add an empty at the location of the prop where you want the hand to be. Parent the empty to the prop with Ctrl P. Now set the empty as the target in the IK bone constraint. Finally, you can adjust the rotation of the hand and the arm by rotating the empty. Hello! If you're learning about Mocap currently, then I recommend that you also check the Mocap animation playlist here on YouTube. Or just go to the next topic below it.